Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. Recently I took a trade in Bale, and yes, it's another simple pure price action pattern based trade. And let me just explain you how and why I entered this. So the capital that I deployed in this particular trade is 10 lakhs, and the profit so far I've got is 4 lakh 10 or 20,000. So that would be 41 to 42% ROI. Yeah, so let me just explain you the entry exit. Before that, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also let me know if you guys have any doubts. Okay friends, so this is the chart, and my entry was 50.95. This is exactly where I entered. This is the place where I entered, and then after 2 days I was in profit, and then there was a fall, and then there was a huge momentum up. So what made me to hold on to this particular trade for more than almost 2 months, right? This is almost 2 months, and the reason why I could hold on to this is because, let me just show you the pattern first. So this is the pattern, okay. And at the bottom, this is the one. 1 2 3 4 rejections at the top, and this is kind of two supports are not that great, but the resistance are so good. And I looked up on this chart after this breakout only, and I thought, okay, the momentum is there, and then I thought I would just enter. So my entry was 50.95. If you look at these small candles, all these are very low volume sell off candles. These are just a consolidation, a retrace candles, and not a reversal candle. So there is no reason why you should exit a trade just because it's a red candle. So a red candle doesn't mean it's a reversal, it could also be a retrace, okay. And yes, since it is out of the pattern, and not every stock would go like this, right after the breakout there will be a consolidation phase. You should be able to withstand those consolidation phases. And this is just as simple as that, guys. So it was a breakout, I entered, I waited, I made profit, that's it. No MACD, no RSI, no ADX, or moving averages or divergence, nothing. Those are not useful for higher time frames, and it was not useful for lower time frames either. The moment you start learning the real price action, the moment you see the real price action structures of these stocks, you do not need any other indicators. Just naked price action charts are more than enough to make money. And this is just a proof. I do not use any other indicators. And volume, even volume, I barely look at volume, because I look at the momentum just looking at the candles. Volume sometimes confuses me, that's why I don't use it. But you guys are free to use it. Some people use it very much. It's up to you, but I do not need any other thing other than the naked chart. So this is the chart, and this is the explanation. And if you guys have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to explain it. I'm still holding on to this particular trade, and I have not exited yet because it's still looking good, and it is just a retrace candle, as I mentioned. And so what happens, even if it is moving like this, I would not mind holding it as long as it is a retrace candle. So if there is a drastic drop, something like that, and then I might change my decision and I might exit, okay. So as long as the candles are small and sideways in nature, you do not have to worry. So it's not just the indicators, it's not this strategies. Sometimes it's all about how you hold on to the trades, and that's where a maximum profit, maximum reward in trading. If you are going to close your trade just the time that, so if you are going to close a trade just after 2 days or 3 days, just because you made a good profit, it's not going to be very easy to make consistent income on a quarterly basis or a 6-month basis. You should learn to hold on to the trades. So that's the key. You should learn that conviction that comes from experience. You should not give up. Start with cash market. You should be able to make as much as I could, because if I can do it, you definitely can do it as well. So yeah, please let me know if you have any doubts. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll come back again with another video. Thank you so much.